Hi guys, this is our drawing train video. We're going to draw a train and we need a pencil and pen. So first we're going to start with a pencil and we're going to draw a freight train. Not the wheel kind, but a kind you don't really see. So we're going to draw this. A long straight line, like that. And then we're going to draw like a long upside down U shape, like this. But we're not actually drawing it. And then we're going to put another long line, like that. And then we're going to put a little square for the windows. And you can add some crosses in the middle if you want. And then now we put a long line like this. And now we're gonna put it even longer. And now we stop. And then we're gonna make another line right here. And now once that's done, we're gonna draw like little circles like this. And watch how this is done. And then we're going to draw by the circles a line like that. And then we're going to draw one line like this. And then we're going to draw another longer line like a smokestack, but not that long. Like this. And then we're going to put like a little tiny bell right here. Not as tiny as you think, but like tiny enough so people can like see it like this. But do the bell any shape you want. And now we gotta make the wheels. So now before we even do the wheels, you could do a ladder to get onto the train or stairs. I'm gonna do a ladder. Make sure you do the lines in the middle for the stairs too. Do the stairs any way you like. And then we're going to make big circles with a little circle in the middle. Do the wheels however you like, or it looks more like a train. And then see how this is added like this? Next part we're going to do is a straight line like this and up. Look at the wheels, see right here, and then we're gonna do a number line right on the bottom but on the top, and then we're gonna do wheels connecting from here like a little U shape like up top here, and then we're gonna do it on the bottom. Not like the other one because it was only on top. And now we're going to have these coming in. Kind of like a ladder, but it's not actually what you think. And now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. But before we do that, we're going to do the body kind of. So you're going to put little circles anywhere you want in the train. But it's got to be in the middle. And make sure you don't go out of the body's lines, but do it anywhere. You could do like how I did it, like that, or you could just do it one straight line. But I like it how mine. And then how would the people get in? We need to add a door to get in. Here's our door. We can work a little bit more on it. Now, we can color our doorknob in. Okay, now that we got that, we got all that. And I'll give you a little second to draw a little window if you like. Okay, now we're gonna do the smoke coming out of the smoke. We're gonna do the stack. We're gonna do the smoke stack, and then we'll finish to do the wheels, and then we'll do a little tiny front part. So now we're gonna make circles and circles and circles, circles. Do them messy, but don't hit anything. Do them like super messy, like it's smoke. And there's gonna be 2 circles where it is. Yeah, you can get a little minute to do some more messy smoke circles. And only if we're using that, we can put it out a little bit to make it look like it's more real. We could do it following the train to make it look real. This little second smoke stack is gonna have a little bit of smoke going to the end, but not all the way. We don't know yet if I'm gonna do it that way for you. Now that we got that done, we're gonna do some of that smoke, and then we'll make like the ringing, stuff, like the sounds, the vibration of it out of the bell after we do this smoke coming out of here. Remember, do it any way you want. I don't think I said that, but you can do the smoke like the messy way you want. I'm doing it different in this one. Okay, you don't have to do it to the end, but you can do it how you want. Alright. So if you can pause the video you're not ready to finish. Well, we have wheels. You can pause the video whenever you like. We're not done yet, but we still have a connector, the vibrations to do on the bell, and the wheels, and the little tiny front bar. So we're gonna do the vibration on the bell. So it's really easy to do the vibration. So do a straight line like to the side like a check, and then we're gonna have a line like under, like a J, like I'll show you. Do it any way you want, how the vibration is, other than the bell. Okay. And then do it like old fashioned, do it anyway. We could put 4, we could put more. We could do it like smoke, but not all scribbly. I kind of did mine like old fashioned. Some of mine are old fashioned, all that. And then we're gonna draw the connectors. They're called couplers. And then we're gonna do this. And we're gonna do another one. And then we're gonna. And here's the cup that has it connected. It's kind of like a magnet. And then draw that and that, holding it. You could do some wires holding it if you like, but here's what mine's coming out like. Now that that is done, we could work on doing our wheels again. So now we're gonna draw the however you did the other wheels, you can do it a different way if you like. And now we're gonna draw. If you need another help or like help, you can pause the video and see how I do it. Okay. And then we're gonna draw that. Then you can look at your other drawing of wheels to figure out how you did it. Here's how mine's turning out. We have a couple more stuff to do, but we're almost done. So this draw the brakes. Okay, so now we can do this triangle like that on each side. I just learned how to do it. I learned it in school when I got to learn because I got to draw on paper. You can draw the name brakes. I'm gonna draw whatever letters and brakes. And now that we got that, we can put a little pump that connects to both of them. And then we'll draw a pump from here, from the other brake that goes into there. And that's the command cab. They call that a cab where the people work. And there's when they ring it. They pull the brakes. And then when they have that, now we're going to have the bell. It's like the same thing, but coming from the bell direction, not the brakes direction. We can do a number brake line after this bell. So now we can do it over and bring it. And there's how to do the brakes. And how to do it. Okay. The bell, they usually get to pull it. And then you can put the little cabs in there. And here you can do it. And now we're almost done. Drawing the fun part right now. I'm drawing a different kind of coupler, because they're different in the front. But it looks pretty bad because I have a little space. And now, we can cut it out. Can you get us the scissors? Get us the scissors, Mom.
Show us the whole picture.
And here.
Hold it up.
This.
Let me zoom in. What do you call this type of train?
I call it a diesel freight train because it looks like a freight train. And happy Thanksgiving, guys. You can cut it out. I'm going to cut it out after the video's done. Happy Thanksgiving. You notice I'm not at my house. I'm at my grandma's house. So bye. Happy Thanksgiving.